You are watching news broadcast of Sigma Media Lab.
A fire broke out in a paper-loaded truck with registration number OD18M1789 while travelling from JK Pur to Ranchi along the main road of Puthuruguda Village in Bhatpur Panchayat, Rayagada District. The driver reported that the fire was caused by a short circuit during the journey. After noticing the fire, the driver stopped the vehicle. Local residents quickly responded to the situation, notifying the Bissamcuttack police station and fire brigade. Emergency fire brigade and responders arrived and attempted to douse the flames, but the truck was fully engulfed before they could control the fire. The Bissamcuttack police are conducting an investigation into the incident, as stated by IIC Mr. Surya Chandra Padhi. Mr. Manoj Kumar Mishra, editor of the Sigma Media Lab English, prepared the report.